My daily routine. Wake up. During the week, I usually wake up at 6:30. I open my eyes and stay in bed for 5–10 minutes. Then I get up and get dressed. Get up, get dressed. Wash. In the bathroom, I wash my face and hands and I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. To have a shave. My dad has a shave. To put on makeup. My mom puts on makeup. To have breakfast. At 7 o'clock, I have my breakfast. For breakfast, I like cereal with milk. Go to school. At 7:30, I go to school. I go to school by bus. I go to school by school bus. To drive to work. My dad and my mom drive to work. Go home. After school, I go home. To have lunch. At 2 p.m., I have lunch. For lunch, I like chicken rice or spaghetti with tomato sauce. To do homework. At 3 p.m., I do my homework and read a book. To have a snack. At 4 p.m., I have a snack. For the snack, I like to eat an apple or yogurt. To go swimming. At 5:30, I go swimming. I like swimming. To have dinner. At 7 p.m. we have dinner all together. For dinner, my mom usually cooks chicken breast or fish with vegetables. If she is late home from work, we can get takeaway or delivery. I like takeaway pizza. At 8:30, I brush my teeth, I take a shower, and at 9 p.m. I go to bed. Go to bed. It's bedtime.